In this exponential equation, find out the a value. How? First, this is the 4. So 41a is 24, and so 81a is, divide this, 24 by 4 is 6, and this 81 we can write the 4a is 6 and interchange the there, so there is the 4 6. And now there is the, take the log, so log 3 a4, this is the log 6 is equal to, we can write the log the 2 into 3, and there is the 4a, there is here, so log 3, and there is the log 2, and there is the log 3. And from here we can write the a is equal to, a is here, and there is the log 2 and there is the log 3, and divide this 4 log 3, and so here the 1 by 4, and there is the, we can write log 2 3, and there is the, we can write the 1 by 4, and log 3 cut is 1. So a value is this. A value is this. And now put the log 2 value and log 3 value. So from here is another answer you get. There is the log, this is 1 by 4 is taken, and this is the log 2. So log 2 value is the 0 3 1, and there is the log 3 value is 0 4 7 7, and there is the log 3 value is 0 4 7 7. So from here we get the calculated there. So 4 is there, multiply, so there is the 1908, and this is the plus here, so there is the approximately 778, and this is, we cut, there is the approximately is value is 0.407. so this is the a value, and this is the obviously the a value. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.